Hey friends, this chicken stew with Mediterranean flavors is so delicious and easy to make at home. It uses just basic pantry ingredients and is also very budget friendly. Once all the prep work is done, it's just a matter of putting the dish all together. Into this very hot pan, add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Season the chicken, salt and pepper. Start adding the chicken to sear into the hot oil. Salt on the other side of the drumsticks and the thyme and black pepper, and let these brown. Take a peek on this chicken and see where they are at. That's good. Give them a turn. Let brown on the other side. Once this chicken is all browned on all sides, remove. Into the pan, add onions, some salt, black pepper. Saute these onions until they start to get some color. Once the onions are slightly caramelized, add garlic. Saute for about 30 seconds for the garlic to release its aromas. Add bell peppers, yellow, green, and red. If you don't have all the colors, you can use whatever you have. The 3 colors make the dish look beautiful at the end. Saute these. Just keep on building the flavors. Introduce the herbs, dried thyme, dried oregano, paprika, pinch red pepper flakes just for a slight kick, fresh rosemary, you can use dry, and some tomato paste. All the ingredients and the measurements used in this recipe will be in the description box for you. Cook all these just so slightly. Almost forgot my bay leaves. Now return the chicken into the pan together with all the accumulated juices. Add chicken stock. Add some water just to slightly cover the chicken. Bring the pot to a rapid boil and then reduce the heat. Cook for about 10 minutes. Now this chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Add potatoes and carrots. Bring the heat all the way back up. Cook until the potatoes and the carrots are cooked and the chicken finishes cooking too. Now the potatoes are almost there. So just before we take the dish off, add a tablespoon balsamic vinegar, some of the reserved fresh rosemary. Just check for seasoning and adjust if necessary. Yeah, we definitely need salt and pepper. So some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Reduce this heat all the way to the lowest. And this dish is basically done. So there you have it, friends, our Mediterranean inspired chicken stew with pantry ingredients, potatoes. You can substitute whatever you have available in your pantry and this dish will come out delicious. Give this dish a taste. This looks so good. Some of the potatoes, carrots, and the sauce. This rosemary garnishing gives it very nice flavors. I hope this dish inspires you to try it at home. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Just remember, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, please. I will see you in the next one.